Hey, what's up guys? Today I just make a quick video on this Orion Motor Tools valve spring compressor kit. So basically these are a relatively inexpensive valve spring compressor kit. What you get with it is you get a pair of cheap gloves, you get your valve lappers here, and then you get your actual tool. You get the frame here, which it seems to be a relatively thick, well-made frame. It's nothing crazy, but for the price you pay, it's probably going to do the job. Then you get your all your little things here and your screws, and I'll show you how to use this. So you're going to want to find the adapter that fits your valve. So you can use something that fits right on the edge or a little bit smaller. Basically all you need to do is get the your screwdriver, your magnet in there to grab the keepers out. So just find something that kind of fits around the edge with a little bit of room. And then we're going to grab the clamp itself here. So for one of the clamps, it has the actual hole in it, and basically the handle just goes through the hole here. And then the other one, same thing, they just put it on the bottom, and I'll show you how to set it up on the head here. So basically you're just going to have it obviously set on the valve like this, around the edge as I said. Then this will be your handle here, and then on the bottom I have it on the middle of the valve. If your valves are bent, this might be a little lopsided to use, but for the most part it works quite well. You turn the handle, and then when you've got the spring compressed down enough, you can grab your little screwdriver or your pick or whatever. I'm using a screwdriver, and it's kind of hard to do on camera here. Basically you just pull the keepers out, and then you can let the tension off, and as you let the tension off, the spring will come out, and you can grab it all out and then push the valve down. So I mean, this is just a quick video, just kind of giving you a brief overview of this tool and showing you how to use it if you don't know how to use it. It is seemingly very well built. It doesn't take a lot of tension. Like, you can barely turn that little lever with your fingers and you can push the valve down. So I think even on some more stronger, robust heads with heavier valve springs, you could probably get this tool to work quite well. I don't know if I'd be using it on any big power stiff valve spring engines or big diesel engines or anything like that, but it seems to work quite fine for what it is, and a relatively inexpensive tool. So that's my video. Link in the description in case you want to look at buying one yourself. But that's all for now. See you guys later.